can't wait to see you.
What would you say that came 3 hours ago?
Alright, y'all. Finally out. And now I'm heading to the store. Alright, y'all. I'm looking like on the road. I'm looking on the road that much. Cause like last time I got stopped by the cops. But like I look at my hit the roads. Oh shit. This I had to go on the sidewalk, y'all. There was a car behind me. I was going fast. Corey! What's up, Corey? Come on. Oh, yeah. I just saw my friend from school. Alright. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna look and get back to y'all when I make it to the store. Alright, y'all. I'm back. And yeah, yo, I saw my friend from school. Riding his bike. In that video, I'm gonna be going to like mad stores. I'm gonna go to McDonald's. I'm gonna go to like, I low-key might hit McDonald's first to get a drink or something. Cause I'm thirsty as shit. I have most of the video on my first video on my bike. But I had to take it down because like now I got an e-bike, so like you know, you need to have that photo of it on that video. Well, whatever. Fuck. Yeah, YouTube video. But yeah, I had to take it down. And it wasn't even that good. I only got like 50 viewers and shit. Bro, please get this to like 1K views or something or higher. This. I'll see that pink splatter on my bike. Bike? Yeah. I put that on my bike and also got pink pedals. See, look, I got pink pedals. Not only that, I also have these pink grips and red grips on my bike. No, let me go. I'm a low key. I'm gonna get smoke. I'm gonna get light smoke. I'm gonna get pink ones. One of my videos will be right after. So, it's a person who is somewhere on the road. Shit, I should go fast as fuck. Alright, y'all, I'm at Dollar General. Alright, y'all, I'm at Dollar General. I don't know why I'm here. I just came here for no reason. I don't know. I don't know why I'm here. Welcome, Dollar General. Welcome. Yo, I got kicked out this store last time, bro. I did a burnout right in front of the store. And smoke was everywhere. Alright, low key. I see any cops, I might gotta dip. This, 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 this. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I might hit the gas station. I look, might go in the back. Freaking Dollar Tree. Is there cameras back here? Oh yeah, there's cameras. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna post a write out video soon. Trust. Let's swerve, 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 swerve. This. My friend's not here today. Oh, one of my friends are coming. They're gonna be here. Yeah, I'm gonna be fishing with them. I think we're gonna be fishing. If not, then we're just gonna be riding around and going into stores and shit. This. I see someone down here. What look like they selling? Let me go see what that is. Yo, huh? What's up?
Where you just came from?
My house?
You spray painted your fucking e-bike?
Yeah. All right, y'all. Now I'm on my way to my friend's house. He got back home, and now I'm on my way there. Yeah. So now I'm on my way there to my friend's house. He got back home. The reason why he wasn't here because he was somewhere. So yeah. But now I'm on my way to his house. And y'all, okay, I'm just gonna get back to y'all when I get there.